There you go, sweetheart. Okay. Snack. You want to get down so you can eat your snack? No. Down snack. There's a hawk right up at our tree. There's a hawk way up in our tree. That way, we are watching it, and we left, and a hawk ate a bird once.
That's right, the feathers are actually down there. There's the feathers.
So Roger, this is exactly what it's for, it's a vanity shelf. That's what it's called.
The feathers are down there.
Okay, so I'm going to X out of this now.
It's cool because it's really neat.
Sweetheart, there was 2 of them up there too.
What?
There was 2 of them. One already flew away.
Okay, so I have that written down. Hat.